a little bit now, I've been taking my emails and throwing them into ChatGPT in order to organize my notes, especially for if I have to go on location, what to bring, specific transmission settings, things like that, notes for the job. And then I have another list of notes. But one of the things I ran into is that it's hard to take a thread of emails. So normally when you're on a job, you get a lot of emails going back and forth, right? It could be 7, 10, 15 emails going back and forth before a job actually starts. Maybe even more than that if there's a lot of prep to it. But the problem with Apple Mail is you can't copy all the emails on the whole thread. You'd have to do them individually and copy and paste. And that's just not efficient. So I wrote a little script and threw it into Apple Shortcuts that will copy that whole thread of emails to your clipboard, right? And I'm gonna share that with you guys. Check out the link below, threw it up on Gumroad if you're interested. But, you know, this is an option here. So I have my mail a little blurred out for privacy reasons. I'll jump through what this looks like here. So I'm gonna find an email here that has a couple of threads in an email. So there's an option in the menu bar up top under View called Organize by Conversation. So I usually have that on and it makes the thread, it keeps all the emails together, right? So I go in that, and in my left column, I see a number. This very first one has 4. The one under that has 7. And that will tell you how many threads, how many replies there are, how many levels deep it is. So I'm just going to pick something like this one, 7 right here. And with it selected, you can see, I know it's blurred out, but the dark blue means I have it selected. So again, I still have Apple Mail open on another screen. It selected that email, and I'm going to do Command Space, and we'll see the pop-up, and we'll start typing thread, and we'll see it pop up in there, thread copy, and then we'll hit the enter button, and it's running up here. We'll see a little square box, and then it went away. So that means it's in your clipboard. I'm gonna peek at my clipboard. I could see it's in my clipboard here. I'm not gonna scroll too much. All right, so we're in a browser. So all I'm gonna do, I have my ChatGPT open. I'm gonna ask it, please make some notes for me based on this email chain. And you can word it however you want, but I'm just going to do that. And it's in my clipboard, so I'm just going to go Command V and paste it. And again, I'm going to blur this out, but just to show, we got participants, key outcomes and decisions, scheduled notes, transmission and technical requirements, content of the call request, action items, overall summary, and again, now you could ask specific questions on that. Normally I'll take that and say convert it to a canvas and keep those notes in Canvas and just keep updating those notes as things change. There you go, guys. That was just a quick peek at how I use ChatGPT to organize my notes in a long thread of emails and overcoming that little challenge of Apple Mail not exporting the whole thread. And if you're interested in that little shortcut that I created, check out the link down below. Catch you next time.